Guys, welcome back to today's video. I am so excited. I am going to be doing a Trader Joe's college grocery haul, as you can see by the title. And yeah, so basically I don't have a car here at college, so my friend was going to Trader Joe's and I've been wanting to go ever since I heard we had one. Even though I'm pretty stocked up on food for a bit, I just really wanted to get some like frozen quick meals to make and just like random things that I kind of knew I needed over time. That way I don't have to go food shopping again for a really long time, and I can kind of just like not have to worry about when people are going food shopping. So I had the opportunity to go, and I literally got all these things for like under $60, which I think is pretty darn good, especially for if it's gonna last you like a while. So really excited about that. And I figured I would give you guys some recommendations on like quick, easy like meals that they offer and just like things to get. So yeah, I really enjoy watching these videos here on YouTube, and I figured I would show you guys what I got. So first up, I got the Trader Joe's frozen strawberries. So I really enjoy making smoothies in my like cute little smoothie maker, and I like using frozen fruit because it lasts longer, and it just kind of gives it more of that like icy smoothie consistency. So I actually like it better than using like real fruit sometimes. So I just picked up the strawberries. I really like using strawberries and like peanut butter and stuff like that in my smoothies. So I have that. I also got some frozen chopped spinach, and I already have some, but I wanted to get a backup because I do like to throw spinach in my smoothies as well. I feel like it doesn't really add any flavor, but it kind of just is a good way to get some veggies in. So I really like doing this, just throwing it in my smoothie. I also got some frozen mango chunks. I love mango. Mango's a really good way to like sweeten up a smoothie because it is really sweet, but you can also just eat these like by themselves as like a snack. It also kind of has more of like a sorbet texture if you like eat them like kind of half frozen. So I don't know, I just thought these were really good, and it comes with a pretty good amount, so I picked that up. I also picked up a bottle of Trader Joe's white Zinfandel. I don't really expect this to be like anything crazy. It was only like $2.99, but I do really enjoy white Zinfandel. I'm into more like sweet wine, and I like to have a glass or so like every Monday night during The Bachelor, or like if I'm just stressed out and like a test is coming up. It is a good stress reliever if you're 21, so I did pick up just like a cheap bottle of white Zinfandel. Next up, I got the Trader Joe's Linguini with pesto and tomatoes. So what I really love about Trader Joe's is not only are they affordable, but they just have so many like amazing frozen pre-made meals. So for a college student, as I'm sure you know, you don't always have the most time to like make dinner. So Trader Joe's is great because it already has like prepared meals, and it usually only takes like 5, 10, 15 minutes tops to make the things. So I thought this looked really good, and I figured I could get like 2 uses out of this bag, so it will definitely last. And I love pesto, so I'm really excited to try this one. I actually haven't tried this yet. I also picked up the Trader Joe's brown rice. So this is awesome because it comes with 3 10-ounce microwavable pouches, and it takes 3 minutes in the microwave to make. So it's just like a good side dish. So if I make like turkey or something like that, I could just pop one of these in the microwave and like put it with my turkey or chicken, and it's like a meal. So I thought that was great. I'm really excited to try that out. I also like to get a couple of like pre-made meals that I could just pop in the microwave and like run out the door if I need to. So I picked this one out from when I'm like feeling a little bit more stressed out and like want something a little bit more bad, I guess you can say, but it's not too bad. So this is the Trader Joe's reduced guilt mac and cheese. So this one, it says it has 65% less fat and 25% fewer calories than their regular one, and it looks really yummy. I've heard good things about this, so I'm excited to try this out on like a more stressed out day, maybe like a test is coming up. I just want mac and cheese. I also picked up the Trader Joe's zucchini spirals. I'm really excited about this. I've heard about it. I haven't tried it. So basically it is like zucchini that looks like pasta, and you can like put it with like pesto sauce or like spaghetti sauce, and it's supposed to like not necessarily taste like pasta, but like has a consistency, and you get some veggies in. So yeah, I don't know. I'm really excited to try this. I don't know like if I would end up using the whole box for one meal or whatever, but looked really good. They also had a carrot one, but I think I'd like that one better. I also really love this from Trader Joe's. It's like a pre-made meal already. So this is the chicken tikka marsala. You just throw it in the microwave. It tastes so good. So again, I like to keep a couple of those for when I like don't have much time in the day to like make a meal. And then I also picked up the farfalle with 4 cheeses and spinach. These are just, again, I love pasta. Lots of pasta. Hair is going up because it was raining and it's a disaster. Oh, I forgot. I also got the Trader Joe's Fancy Berry Medley. This comes with blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. So just more frozen fruit again for my smoothies. I also got the turkey meatballs. So these are already fully cooked. You can just throw them on a pan or like in the oven or something. And I figured with like my pasta one day, I could just throw some meatballs in there. So I picked those up. For my dog, I saw these and I had to get him some snacks. So I got the chicken recipe jerky sticks. And he really liked it, so I picked those up. They were super affordable. I've heard so much about this, and I was like, I need to get this because I don't usually like use seasoning, but I find on my eggs I really want to put something in there just to spice it up a bit. So this is the Trader Joe's Everything But the Bagel Sesame, and it has like sea salt, garlic, onion, yeah, I don't know. I'll let you guys know how this tastes, but I'm really excited. I've heard so much about this. You can put on like tons of stuff, and I really need some spices because I'm tired of just like plain eggs, to be honest. I also picked up some hummus because I really like pretzels with hummus or like chips and stuff. So this is just their smooth and creamy classic hummus. I just remember it by like this light blue container. So really good, just their like classic one. And I just got a bag of mandarins. They're like clementines. I just love taking these to class as like a snack just in case I like start to get hungry. It's like super easy and sweet and yummy. So love that. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I got all this stuff for under 60 bucks. Isn't that crazy? I think it's crazy. Okay, and then we've got one more bag of goodies. So first off, I got 2 bags of the chicken gyoza pot stickers. If you guys haven't tried these, they're so good. They're so easy to make, and they're actually like not bad at all for you. So they're chicken and vegetable dumplings. Again, I could honestly eat these like all day. They're so yummy. So I actually picked up 2 of those. I believe they're like $2.99 each, so they're pretty affordable. I'm really excited about this. Actually, this is the cauliflower gnocchi. So it's like made of cauliflower, but it's supposedly really good. I believe it's also in like a oil butter sauce. Honestly, I might make this for dinner tonight. It looks really good. So I'll let you guys know how that goes, but I'm excited about that. I also picked up another bag of chips. I'm currently still have one, but I wanted to get a backup because I won't be going for like a month to the grocery store. I'm only going to go to get like eggs and milk and stuff. But these are just their organic blue corn tortilla chips, and again with like hummus or salsa, taste so good. I like to snack on those like while I'm studying or doing homework and stuff. And then they had ground turkey on sale, so I just picked up another one because I already have one, but again, you can just keep it frozen and it won't go bad, so I just figured I would pick up another one. Last but not least, I picked up the peanut butter and jelly bars. I have never tried these, but I love peanut butter and jelly, and I really just needed like a quick on-the-go snack for, again, like keeping in my backpack that like won't go bad. So I'm really excited. It says soft and chewy oat bar with creamy peanut butter and strawberry fruit filling. And you get 6 of them, so I mean that's pretty good. So I picked that up. I feel like I got so much more, but that's all I got. I'm really excited to try some of these things again. I haven't really tried everything, so maybe I'll do an update, or when I film my next haul, maybe in like a month or 2, I'll like let you guys know like what I repurchased or like new things that I've tried if you guys enjoyed this video. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!